In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Msvbvm60.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click for the option Run as Administrator on the right pane and type SFC space / scan now. Scan now, just one word and no space in between, and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once it is completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. From the first method, then we need to go to the second method, that is to update our Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button from here. Okay, so make sure to update your Windows. Step 3, check first your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser on your Windows 11 and simply search for Visual C++ or Distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to the system type or the architecture of your Windows. And once downloaded, double click. Then just simply check this box, I agree to the license terms and conditions, and click on install. So install the Visual C++ because this comes with the necessary files that can help you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.